Hello all, welcome back to our channel Go for Grass. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful fancy haldi kumkum packets. Now as it is a festival season coming 3 to 4 months, we will be using these kind of packets very regularly and frequently when we are gifting something to our guests, relatives, family members, and all. So, in that case, according to our trends and all, so people are looking for something creative and innovative products. So, in that context, I thought I will show you how to make this beautiful packets, which is like in a fancy look with a kind of a zari work and all. So usually these kind of sachets will be available in the market within a price range of 8 to 10 rupees. So today we will see how to stitch these kind of simple bags. So before getting to the video, whoever watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button to on your notifications. So if you have any doubts and suggestions, you can please mention in our comment section. So initially we will see what are all the material required to do these kind of bags. So as you can see, these are the only three materials. So what we are going to use this to make this fancy haldi kumkum packets. So usually these packets, it is available in the market. You can source these kind of packets. And these are the laces. Even these lace also is available in normal fancy stores. And this is another kind of a lace which I am going to use as a handle for this cute bags. So initially this, if you see, this is about 1.5 inch to 2.5 inch length it has. So you have to take such a cloth and don't cut the cloth initially. And of course, apart from these three materials, we would require a machine to stitch it. If you don't have a machine, the same procedure you can follow with normal hand stitching also. So let us see how to stitch now. So initially we have taken a little thicker kind of a lace here. This edge of the lace we will be folding like this. Okay, and this is lace is about 1 inch width. So in that 1 inch width, we have to hold it like half-inch to on the cover, half-inch outer part like this. If your this haldi kumkum packet is little bigger, then you can go for putting all these lace together in the packet. But as this width of the packet is very less, so I am just keeping it half and half outer part. So like this, we will start stitching. See, like this, if you see, we are covering half of the packet here. Once you reach the end, you have to take it out like this and then turn the packet like this. So when you turn it back, it looks like this. So now what we will do, we will slowly fold this also here. We should not force it so that the packet will give a frills like this. So you have to fold it like slowly. How much ever you require, that much free cloth you have to leave there. Then only the look will be good. Until here, and again this part also we have to fold like this. So for that extra, leaving that extra, we have to cut this cloth. So this much we are cutting, and this is the part which we are going to fold here at the end. So before that, we have to keep the handles also. As I told you, for handle purpose, I am using this one. So this you have to hold like crosswise like this. Then only this will give you a gap texture. Like now you can see this kind of a gap. To get that gap, you have to hold the ends like this and place it exactly the middle, and make sure you exactly cover with the cloth, upper cloth like this. So 2-3 things what we have to remember is, one thing, to leave enough cloth here so that frills won't come. Second thing, you have to have this folding also. Third thing, you have to hold this handles edges properly like this. So once you stitch it, make sure it is exactly there, and stitches will come on the handles also. In the end, I am giving a small rough stitch. Now I am cutting those extra threads. Then now what we have to do, the upper part also we have to give a stitch. So holding this, now again when you are stitching the upper part also, you have to hold these handles separately and leave a foot distance for a stitch. Clearly you have to trim off all these extra threads because it will spoil the look of the bag. Because as it is a tiny small package, a small product, if you leave that kind of extra threads and all, like the look of the bag will be get disturbed. So we have to trim it nicely. So that's it, very simple and easy way. Within 5 minutes we can have this kind of a fancy bags. And to add more look to it, you can add kundans here both the sides, or else flowers, foam flowers, or satin ribbon flowers, kind of flowers also. So that's it. Hope you all like this video and this will be helpful to you for this festive season. Please comment below if you try these bags, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you like the video, don't forget to share the video. Thank you.